We've all been there. Someone left a tissue in their pocket and now the whole laundry load is covered in stubborn white specks.
There are various hacks online claiming to solve this problem using everything from vinegar to aspirin, but stop and think before you give them a go.
Soaking the clothes in vinegar, particularly dark or bright colours, can affect the dye, and it can also damage the rubber seals on your washing machine. Adding aspirin to your washing machine means releasing it into the water system, which could be harmful for the environment. And chucking a load of tissuey clothes straight into the tumble dryer isn't a good idea either, as there is a small risk of fire. So what can you do? This is Household Hacks, tried and tested.
Option 1, shake as much of the tissue off as possible. Let the clothes dry and use a lint roller or selotape wrapped around your hand to get the rest off.
If you do want to give the aspirin method a go, put some water into a bucket and then put about 4 tablets of aspirin into the water so that they dissolve. Then just pop the clothes in there and leave them to soak for about 1 to 2 hours.
The aspirin will help to break down the tissue. Then put the clothes on a quick rinse cycle and dry as normal. You may need to use a lint roller to get rid of any stubborn bits of tissue that remain. To be safe, dispose of the aspirin water in your garden, well away from any drains.
Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this household hack. You can click the link on screen to sign up to our free weekly newsletter, which is packed with cleaning tricks, money-saving tips and product reviews. Check out the video below to find out how to clean a burnt saucepan using a dishwasher tablet. And for more video content like this, hit subscribe.